In our simulations, we have you using a single hole strap or clamp to attach conduit against our brick wall. We have you drilling a hole for the wall anchor, and then we have you attaching it into the wall. But there are alternative methods to the single hole strap that I want to show you, make sure you're familiar with. Certainly one very common alternative is the double hole or two hole strap. Same idea, just different preferences by installers if they want to secure it with two screws instead of just one. Many installers like to use unistrut. They'll take a short section of unistrut, bolt that to the wall, and then use something like this, a wall clamp, a unistrut channel pipe strap that fastens into the unistrut, holds the conduit against the unistrut. Also an acceptable way, although maybe not as clean and pretty as the other mounts. Finally, and really nice actually, is this form of device. It's often called a conduit clamp, but it's also called a conduit hanger clamp. It's often used like this in indoor industrial applications where a threaded rod is hung down from the ceiling and then the hanger clamp is attached and it actually holds onto the conduit that way. But the way we would use it is more like this. We would put in that wall anchor into the wall and then bolt the conduit hanger device sideways right onto the wall. What's really nice about this approach and why a lot of installers prefer it is that it automatically gives you about a ½ standoff away from the wall, and that's often just what you need to go straight into enclosures that are also mounted against the wall, so you don't need to bend your conduit. So there you go. You have multiple options for ways to attach your conduit during your electrical install against your walls.
Hey, thanks for watching the training video using Interplay's simulation-based training program. You can keep watching our solar videos by clicking on the link to your left, or stay up to date on our latest solar snacks by subscribing on your right. To learn more about how the STP provides critical team training and helps you build an onboarding program at your company, please go to interplaylearning.com.